जियोस्फीयर में जियो कॉइन कैसे कमाएं? सभी सम्मानित जियो यूजर्स, आज मैं आप सभी को जियोस्फीयर में जियो कॉइन कमाने के कुछ आसान तरीकों के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं। जियो कॉइन एक डिजिटल करेंसी है जिसे आप जियोस्फीयर इकोसिस्टम में विभिन्न सेवाओं के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
What are geocoins? Geocoins are blockchain-based reward tokens that users can earn for engaging with different mobile or internet-based apps, as decided by GPLU Platforms Limited using their mobile number-only India-based mobile numbers. How do I earn geocoins? Users can earn geocoins by engaging with various apps. Web3 tokens will be deposited in the user wallet based on user engagement. The value of the tokens is also determined basis user engagement. Will geocoins have an impact on my regular usage of your apps? No. Geocoins will not change your experience with any of the apps. You can continue using all the apps as it is, and the token value will be calculated based on engagement. Users do not need to change their regular behavior on any of the apps. How to sign up for GeoCoins program? In mobile-centric apps, sign up is available in the profile section. In some of the utility apps, sign up option would be available on the top menu within the app. Where can I use GeoCoins? GeoCoins redemption details and steps will be available shortly within your Web3 wallet.